Exceptionally clean, upgraded home in Cobblestone, a 55-plus community with 3 bedrooms plus a bonus room/office. Home sits at the back of the neighborhood farthest from the street for maximum privacy and abuts to open space to the south. Great fenced, low-maintenance yards, covered porches, 2 sheds, and plenty of covered parking. Home features a vaulted ceiling, split floor plan, with kitchen, living, and dining rooms central to the home. Shower and soaking tub in the primary suite, while the kitchen is complete with pantry, has plenty of storage, soft drawer/door close, and luxurious granite countertops. Don't miss this beautiful home.